Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity. So first important opportunity from the Kerala, they are hiring associate analyst L1 and job location is Hyderabad. So if you are interested for this role, then you should apply. So these are the responsibility. You will set up and maintain client data, legal entities, properties, accounts, parcel, assets, review client information for completeness and integrity, and you can go through complete detail. Next, what is the requirement or eligibility criteria for this? You should have postgraduate or bachelor degree in accounting, business or related field. So if you have bachelor's or accounting degree in these sectors, then you should apply for this, and you should have working knowledge of MS Excel, MS Word, ability to collaborate with leads and other team members. So if you are interested, you can apply. Coming to next important opportunity from the Paytm, and this one the very good hiring and careers at Paytm Insurance Broking Private Limited. So they are hiring for product management intern, and this is for the freshers. So if you are 2025 2024 pass out by, then you can apply for it. Okay, and if you want, you can share it with your friends. So your key responsibility will be assist product manager or defining product roadmap, requirement and user stories, conduct market and competitor research, and you can go through complete description. So who are recent graduate prefer from engineering or related field, they are eligible for this. And if you have basic knowledge of all this, then this is a good things, you should apply. So only recent graduates are applicable. Next important opportunity from the DocuSign, they are hiring software engineering, and this is also a good opportunity. Work location is Bengaluru. So you can go through complete roles and responsibility. You will participate in team call rotations, another you can go through it. So this is a hybrid बेसिकली वर्क मीन्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम एज वेल एज ऑफिस पे आपको रहेगा मिनिमम 2 डे पर वीक आपको वही ऑफिस में आना होगा एंड वीकली ऑफिस पे एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो व्हाट यू विल ब्रिंग इफ यू हैव बैचलर डिग्री इन कंप्यूटर साइंस और रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस मीन्स इन रिलेटेड फील्ड, then you can apply for this. And this is you can complete description. So I will provide all the job link in the description, you can directly apply from that. Next important hiring from the Aton, they are hiring associate engineer mechanical and job location is Pune, Maharashtra. So if you are from mechanical background, then only you are eligible, and this is the research and development engineering. So if you know any mechanical student, then you can share with them. You should have some knowledge of CAD model, ICUL standard and all things. BM Tech mechanical engineering are eligible, and sheets metal experience अगर आपका है, so that is the added advantage. Friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in YouTube channel. So if you want, you can basically subscribe us. And friends, if you want to schedule your mock interview, means if you have been selected for any company and want to have a confidence in your real interview, then you can fill our form for the mock interview. This will basically boost your confidence in real interview. Coming to next important opportunity, so they are hiring business analyst intern, and if you have a good communication skill from any branches, then you can apply for it. And they are also hiring for .NET developer intern. So 2026 as well as 2025 pass out batch can apply, and you can share resume to them. Next important opportunity, that is from the Goldilocks, and they are hiring the Tech Solution Private Limited from the BTech and MCA graduates. So for these role they are hiring. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to them. And last important opportunity, that is TGL Software Solution, Hyderabad and Noida locations they are hiring. So this is the locations and UT criteria. So freshers are eligible, means if you are from 2021, 2022, 23, 2024, then you will get preference, but 2025 pass out can also apply. You should have from BTech, MTech, MCA background, and you can apply through this apply link. So I will provide complete job link in the description, you can directly apply. So I regularly post lots of job update as I've already said, and soon INQT, Cognizant, Wipro and other hiring will be announced. Currently PNB biggest hiring is going on, and any graduates can apply, and this is a mass vacancy, so you should apply for apprenticeship program if you are interested. So hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.